Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to find out how old or how new is your laptop. And pretty much the only information you need from your laptop is your CPU information or CPU name. And one of the ways, I show you two ways to get to that information. The first one is click on your File Explorer. Now this PC here, right click on it and go to the properties, and there you have it. There's your processor information is here. It's, in my case now, it's Intel Core i7-5600U. Okay, that's one of the ways to get to it. I leave this window open for now. Other way is right click on bottom left corner of your screen, go to the system, and okay, there we have it, exactly the same information again. That's just two ways to get to that system information or your CPU information. There's many ways, but you don't really need to know all of them unless you know them already. Okay, that's it now. That's all the information you need from your laptop, your CPU information. Next thing, you open up your internet browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge at the moment anyway. No one is perfect. Okay, you need to go to the website AgeCast.com. So, okay, go to the laptops, scroll a bit down. Okay, there's your search box here. That's where you need to enter your information where we got before, which is i7-5600U. You can enter all of it, or I'm just gonna go with 5600. We'll see what happens. Okay, 5600. There you go. The first one here. Click on it. We have to wait for a few short seconds or long ones, whatever. There you go. According to AgeCast, my laptop is 6 years old now, and it's probably more or less accurate. I would say 5 years would be probably more accurate, but it does tell you here tolerance is 1 year, so plus minus 1 year. It's good enough for me anyway. Sorry. The point of that is now, if you are buying laptop which is used or refurbished, very rarely now anyone will tell you actually how old it is, or a lot of the cases people who are selling them actually don't even know how old it is. So there's one way for you now to find out how old is the laptop, or even just you're curious how old is your own laptop when you're trying to sell it, or whatever reasons you have there to just to find out how old it is. There you go. And by the way, this method now works on Windows 7 or whatever Windows really you're using, just as long as you get to your CPU information. It also works on Linux, doesn't matter really, same thing, as long as you get to your CPU information. Find out your CPU name and go to AgeCast, type it in, and there you go. Simple as that. I hope I helped someone there, and if you found this video or this tutorial helpful, subscribe, and thank you very much. Bye bye.